I joined KC in June 2023, and I had a lot of doubts, like what to study, how to study, and all of those doubts were cleared. KC provided me with a well-structured coaching manual, which contained all the essential things which is needed for a person to excel in GRE. I must express my sincere gratitude towards the faculty at KC Overseas. The faculties for both verbal and quants, they have been more like my motivators and my guides rather than being just teachers. Their personalized attention and their commitment and their constant motivation helped me in shaping my confidence, and also their focus on the particular subject and experiences gave me a lot of confidence. KC has provided me a lot of facilities, right from their materials till the mock tests, and also the staff has been pretty supportive as well. Also the admission community, they were very helpful for me to shortlist colleges, and also they provided me help to fill up the applications to a lot of colleges. In conclusion, I would love to recommend KC Overseas as your one-stop destination for study abroad.